CBSE Physics Class 10 Chapter 10 Light Reflection and Refraction. Let us learn the chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer, and it inculcates the value of reading your book. Note that PG is for page, PR for paragraph. Questions are in yellow color, answers are in white color. What happens when light enters from one transparent medium to another? Explain, citing some day-to-day experiences. Observe the bottom of a tank or a pond containing water. It appears to be raised. Similarly, when a thick glass slab is placed over some printed matter, the latter appear raised when viewed through the glass slab. See a pencil partly immersed in water in a glass tumbler. It appears to be displaced at the interface of air and water. Observe a lemon kept in water in a glass tumbler appears to be bigger than its actual size when viewed from the sides. Why there is apparent displacement of a pencil partly immersed in water? The light reaching you from the portion of the pencil inside water seems to come from a different direction compared to the part above water. This makes the pencil appear to be displaced at the interface. Does a pencil appear to be displaced to the same extent if instead of water we use liquids like kerosene or turpentine? You will find that the extent of the effect is different for different pair of media. These observations indicate that light does not travel in the same direction in all media. It appears that when traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. This phenomenon is known as refraction of light. What is known as refraction of light? It appears from our day-to-day observations that when traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. This phenomenon is known as refraction of light. The light ray enters at point O. Look at the diagram and write about the nature of two media. The light ray enters at point O from a rarer medium to a denser medium, that is, from air, which is rarer, to glass, which is denser. Why light ray at point O bent towards the normal n dash? Light ray at point O bent towards the normal because light ray enters at point O from a rarer medium, which is air, to a denser medium, which is glass. Why light ray at point O dash bent away from the normal m dash? Light ray at point O dash bent away from the normal because light ray enters at point O dash from a denser medium, which is glass, to a rarer medium, which is air. EO is the incident ray, O dash is the refracted ray, and O dash H is the emergent ray. We observe that the emergent ray is parallel to the direction of the incident ray. Why does it happen so? It happens so because the extent of bending of the ray of light at the opposite parallel faces, AB air glass interface and CD glass air interface of the rectangular glass slab is equal and opposite. What are the laws of refraction of light? The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sign of angle of refraction is a constant. For the light of a given color and for the given pair of media. This law is also known as Snell's law of refraction. If I is the angle of incidence and r is the angle of refraction, then sin I by sin r is equal to constant. Dear students, you can ask your questions to this email ID given below. This module of studies will be continued in the next video. This module of studies